Alright guys, back out here in the garage. Just got in Tomei's new Extreme version 2 downpipe. This is going on the 10 STI. So a little unboxing. Actually open it from the bottom apparently. So some stuff you get with it. Gaskets, bunch of stickers, new hardware, clamp, because this is a two-piece setup, metal zip ties. Get into the exhaust part. You can come in a little closer if you want. So this is the back section. So you got two bungs, one for the oxygen sensor, and then if you're running a wideband. If not, it does come with a plug, so you can plug one of those up. It's kind of nice craftsmanship. Got the Tomei badging on there. Inside is completely smooth. I've seen a lot of aftermarket ones where all this is kind of chewed up and just terrible quality, but super nice mirror finish. Get the top part out. And super nice mirror finish. You got the Tomei stamp on there. Nice clean welds around. Completely smooth, perfect opening here. So right now I'm just gonna assemble this. This is a two-piece style. I'll put the clamp on and then I'll do a comparison to the factory downpipe. Alright guys, got the Tomei put together. So already have a stock downpipe off, so just show a little comparison between the two. Go ahead and get a little bit closer up. So obviously the Tomei is a more straight design, and probably the most noticeable is the opening from the stock exhaust opening through the Tomei. Much better flow. And then oxygen sensor spot's about the same. Alright, so you want to grab a 14mm wrench, ratchet, or whatever you can fit in there. If you come over here. So I've already taken all the bolts and nuts out, but there's 5. So 1, 2, 3, and then you got the 2 on the other side. So that's already done, set. On the STI, it is a little bit tight to get in there with the bigger intercooler. The strut brace doesn't help. The regular WX, I've taken downpipes off. It's twice as fast because the intercooler's, you know, a lot narrower, so it's easier to get in there. But I was able to do it without taking this off. And then just kind of coming under here. Just got to get the 2 bolts off here. I actually have the Tomei already on there. So this will actually be pretty easy here. So just gotta pop that off. Alright, everything's installed. Just took a moment to wipe everything off with a clean microfiber. Get all the dirt and fingerprints off. Go underneath the car. Underneath. Did an oxygen sensor extender. It's Catless, that way I don't get hopefully any check engine lights. And then to the Tomei titanium. Kit comes with a whole heat shrink wrap. Alright guys, back out here in the garage. Got a part I'm super excited about. Tomei's Extreme. Alright guys, back out here in the garage. I picked... You smart. Alright guys, back out here in the garage. Just got in a new exhaust downpipe for the 08 STI. It's not an 08, it's a 10. Alright guys, back out here in the garage. Just got in Tomei's version 2 Extreme downpipe. Don't know why that's funny. Alright guys, just got in Tomei's version 2 Extreme downpipe for the 10 STI. This is going to be one of the lighter downpipe options. I think this weighs in about 10 to 13 pounds lighter than the factory. I don't know why that's funny. This will be going on the 10 STI. Alright guys, just got in Alright guys, back out here in the garage. Just got